Welcome to EF Pod English. Brought to you by EF Education First and Englishtown. Learn anytime, anywhere.
The restaurant? No, I don't think so.
In this lesson, we'll find out how to ask and answer questions in the past using did, like this. Did Molly find the keys? No, she didn't. Did you meet your friend yesterday? Yes, I did. You're going to watch a movie about two friends, Molly and Jessica. One of them lost her keys. After the movie, you'll have a quick lesson and a quiz. Good luck!
Hi, Molly.
Yeah, hi, Jessica, it's me. Listen, I'm sorry to be late, but I lost my keys.
Oh, that's too bad. Well, I hope you find them soon. We were supposed to be at the party at 8 o'clock, right?
Yeah, I know. I just can't believe how long it's taking me to find them.
Well, did you retrace your steps?
What do you mean?
You know, did you check all the places you went to since you got home? For example, what did you do first?
Let me see. Well, I ate dinner.
So, did you check the kitchen and the dining room to see if you put your keys down there?
Yeah, I did. I already checked the kitchen and the dining room.
But you didn't find them there, huh? So what did you do after dinner?
I watched a little TV in the living room after dinner, but I've already checked for the keys in the living room.
No luck there either? Okay. Where do you generally put your keys? Is there a place that you usually put them?
Well, sometimes I put them in top drawer, but I checked there first and the keys weren't there.
I don't know what to say. I can't suggest any other place to look.
Oh, you're not going to believe this. The keys are in the front door.
You're kidding. Too funny. Anyway, I'm glad you found them. Now we can go to the party.
Yeah, sorry I took so long to find them.
No problem. See you soon.
Well, did Molly find the keys? Yes, she did. Jessica asks several questions about what Molly did during the day. Let's look at making questions in the past. Did Molly find the keys? We use the auxiliary verb did in questions like this. Let's listen to Molly again.
Oh, you're not going to believe this. The keys are in the front door.
Did Molly find the keys? Yes, she did. She did find the keys. You can use short answers with yes or no questions. Yes, she did, or no, she didn't. Let's look at some more examples using did for questions. Did you go to the gym? Yes, I did. Did he meet you? No, he didn't. Let's try a short quiz. Where are Molly and Jessica going? Molly and Jessica are going to a party. Did Jessica lose her keys? No, she didn't. Did Molly check the kitchen? Yes, she did. Molly checked the kitchen. Where were the keys? The keys were in the front door. Well done. Today we've talked about asking and answering questions using did. Did Jessica lose her keys? No, she didn't. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you next time.